damn it, boy.
Talk to him. Just do an intro. Tell him what's up. Let him know.
Good morning, Starshine. The Earth says hello.
Tell him where you been.
At the auction.
What are you doing today? What's the plan?
Interviewing me or something?
Yeah!
No, give me this.
Yeah!
No.
No! Here, take the camera. You can talk to it. Show him what's up. Let him know what's popping.
Damn it, boy. Yo, this Oak Tree Triple OG.
Tell him what's up. Give him a tour.
Yeah, I've been incognito because Mark doesn't ever put me on the channel anymore.
That's because you're never around. Look, this car has been sitting with an empty engine bay.
We got no engines,
For
Ted!
3 months. Longer than that. How long have you had this swap sitting over here? How long have you had the swap sitting here?
A year. Couple months. It's all good, though. Because we're putting it together now!
What for? Tell him what for.
For me.
All right, show him what you got. What are we putting in here? Good Lord. What do you got planned, Daddy? Show him all the parts.
Man, you can't just put me on the spot like this.
There's a box. What's in the box?
Bro,
What's in the box?
You're right here.
Oh, snap.
You should do like an unboxing one.
Dun, 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 dun. Oh, look at that. Some fans. We got fans, Ted. Ted, we got fans. Oh!
It's like Christmas. Oh, Christmas. Oh.
Let's go.
Oh, more Christmas.
It's a Speed Factory Tuckerita! As of right now, it is Wednesday. You guys are going to be seeing this video tonight. I promise, because I am leaving. The plan is to put this motor in here at least, because I'm going to be out of town for the weekend, and he's trying to get this thing ready for Importo Lions 2018 Renter.
I'll be there, don't worry.
Alright, so he also has, if you haven't seen this car before, he's got the Track Life fenders. He's got PCI side skirts waiting to go on. He painted his engine bay
Black diamond.
black diamond. He's got a high sport engine mounts, only the best. Shout out to Brian. It is an EJ1 coupe. He's got this cool snazzy little wrap job on it. It is filthy right now, but the vinyl is like a purple color. He's got the VIS trunk, which is hard to get a hold of for the EGs. He's also got insane shafts for the axles.
Oh, I got something else too.
Uh-oh, what else he got? He got the carbon cover here.
I got 75 cents.
Oh!
Who wants some Skittles? God dang it.
We're gonna get some Skittles. He's got what suspension this is?
Function type 2s.
Function Type 2s.
I think they know this already.
No, people don't know this. There's a lot of new people here. All right, so Kyle,
Don't worry, man. We got a lot of dope ass gonna be on this car.
you can't curse. Family friendly.
We got some cool
You're gonna get me demonetized. I'm already broke. Kyle Golding did the brake lines. Did a beautiful job. It's gonna be a little tricky fitting that bolt in there, but it looks beautiful. Don't worry about it. Here is the engine here. It's a K20Z1. Yeah, Z1. We cleaned it up, sprayed the motor yesterday, spiffied it. We got to put the RBC manifold on it. We're using the K-tuned radiator coolant hose thing. This engine had the heater hoses blocked off, but he's got them now. He's also using the K-tuned race cables.
Oh yeah.
Race cables. So there's the bracket.
We got the nice K-tune swivel.
He's got the no-cut box because he wanted to keep his interior, but he's got the race cables to go with it. You can see here's a bunch of pile of garbage, which is expensive parts. This motor has already been tuned. We don't know what it made. I think it made like 220 or something, 230. Got RC injectors, Honda. He's actually going to be respraying the valve cover before the show because it's already scratched up and whatnot.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. So now we've just got to get busy. Ooh. Yeah, we've got these other K-tune parts. What is that? The power steering delete?
Yes, the car steps kit.
The car sips. Now, Charlie's car has S2000 seats, and he's got the AP2 cluster. So, yeah, we're twins. Personal steering wheel like me, so we're twins.
Like me.
Yeah. He's also got, what is this, bolt-in roll cage?
Yeah.
He's got deleted rear interior. I like my rear interior, but he's also converted to black interior, which came out of my old EG hatch, which I'm very jealous that he got this because it's a black dash with no airbag, which is really hard to find, and it's pretty clean. Follow this person at what? Break them off. Where's your phone? Show them that Instagram. Let's get you some followers because your Instagram was weak.
Man, I just started my Instagram. I'm a couple years late.
Well, that's because you were like, I'm never getting an Instagram page, and then he wants to break it off.
It's Charlie_Coop with a K.
So we got the Speed Factory radiator mounted in here. We had to drill 2 holes on either side and obviously cut the centerpiece out. So we had to cut back some of the metal on the radiator support here.
See it right there?
Yeah. But it should fit nice.
Could be a little cleaner.
Be pretty good.
Put to you. I mean, it's in there. It ain't going nowhere.
Alright, so we've got the intake manifolds on the motor. We've got the rear bracket on the engine/trans. We're about to put this guy in there.
It's sitting low.
It's sitting pretty damn level. Should be good.
Mark fixed it up real good.
Pretty good. Well,
Some damn good penmanship you got there.
You get the high sport mount on this side in, on the rear end, and the passenger side. Let's see if I can bring it back up there. There's the front end right there. Then you gotta put it in there and push, little girl.
Got me a money by.
Get in there all nice and tight like.
oh no!
Oh no, I got a few pumps.
Oh no, I'm all out of pumps.
She wasn't ready.
So what's that do?
That trademark by Ricky Bobby.
It's got this K-tuned adapter plate to fit this 70mm throttle body, boy.
Oh, she fast. Oh boy, she fast as hell, boy.
Do you poop silver unicorn? Me and Drew here have a bet. Does your mom go to college? My mom's got a stove.
So Charlie got this little slick way. He's gonna secure it, but he's gonna run it this way underneath the car, and then come out right there. It's got the S2000 Masters clutch cylinder. Boy, that fuel line was action right there. Need some JB tuned up in here. You know we ain't doing no AC. I'm doing AC. Yes, nice and secured.
No, this is Taylor's.
Well, this is where we're gonna wrap up this video. Let him know, Drew.
The only thing about this video with me is I don't wrap up.
Okay, so yeah, I gotta wrap this video up so I can go edit it, y'all. Hopefully Charlie can finish this swap before Import Alliance, which is in 2 weeks.
Oh,
2 weeks.
it'll be done.
It'll be done.
It will be done.
If I gotta sleep
So
in this
yeah, come find us out at Import Alliance. I'll be there. Hopefully Charlie will make it. It's March 24th and 25th in Atlanta. So look it up. We'll be there.
Bro, that's all in the technique.
If you like this video, click like, click subscribe. If you haven't already, you can pick up some merch at the merch store. Link is in the description below. Why keep talking? I'm trying to outro. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Keep living your dreams.
Dream this.
Damn it, boy.